Hello, cookbook fans. This is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and this is my personal most anticipated cookbook look-through of the season. The holidays are upon us, and I want to look through Baking for the Holidays, 50 Plus Treats for a Festive Season by Sarah Kieffer, a very prolific cookbook author, and I love her cookbooks. Big fan. I'm trying not to fangirl out, but Baking for the Holidays, Hardy Grant is the publisher, and this came out in 2021. It's new. I have not opened it yet other than to do a flip through reel like we do on Instagram to give you an idea of what it looks like. Starting off, let's check out the chapters. Chapter 1, Morning Breads and Pastries. Chapter 2, Holiday Desserts. Chapter 3, Gift Giving. I love to bake things to give people. Chapter 4, Beyond Christmas. Chapter 5, Extras. Ooh. Starting off with a beautiful photo, festive and wintry. Introduction, I'll read that later when I'm not on camera. Keeps going, winter, winter. Beautiful cake, I'll read it later. Ooh, okay, important note on technique, ingredients that you're going to need, etc. Leavenings, nuts, chocolate, etc. Tools. Okay. First chapter, Morning Breads and Pastries. I don't personally get up early enough to bake for that morning, so I bake the night before and then put it in Tupperware. Classic cinnamon rolls, of course. Thank you, Sarah Kieffer. Step-by-step photos. So helpful to me. I think I must be a visual learner. Lots and lots of info on your rolls. Keeps on going, and tips on extra filling or cinnamon rolls with sugared cranberries for another option. And here she's showing us how to make a cinnamon braid. Love it. More step-by-step, a giant cinnamon roll. This book is so fun. Nutella star bread with lots of pictures, morning buns, step-by-step photos. Cranberries and cream Danish. I've never attempted making my own Danish, I have to admit. Step-by-step. Ooh! Oh, there's a bookmark ribbon. You can keep your place. That's nice. Pear almond Danish braid. Okay. Coffee cardamom monkey bread. I like eating monkey bread. I don't think I need to make it. Powdered sugar donuts. Streusel coffee cake. I love coffee cake because you can have it at noon or in the afternoon and not feel like you're having breakfast or dessert with dinner. Panettone scones. Little wintry picture to remind us that it's winter. Cheater's croissant dough. Oh, I'm going to read the... I'm tempted because I'm not making croissants the right way. So if there's a cheater way, I'm going to do it. Okay, Chapter 2, Holiday Desserts. This will be fun. Beautiful white cake with cranberries and white chocolate buttercream. Okay, carrot cake with burnt honey buttercream. Carrot cake's nice in autumn. I'm not a big fan of it. Triple chocolate mousse cake. I can't show you every dessert, so I'm skipping ahead. Apple caramel and hard cider pie, creme brulee pumpkin pie, chocolate mint ice cream pie. Is that a grasshopper? A candy cane cake. Bittersweet chocolate tart with Irish cream. Frozen bonbons, shortbread crust, pie dough. 3, gift giving. Looks like someone made some kind of fudge. Caramel candies. Peanut butter cups that you make for your family. Nice. Triple chocolate peppermint bark. Red velvet crinkle cookies. That's festive. Turtle bars. I notice we're having less step-by-step instructions here because the recipes are getting less complicated, so you don't need them. Chocolate gift cakes. Modern fruit cakes. I'd like to see a bigger picture of them because I'm not convinced they would taste good because fruit cakes, we're all traumatized, right? Florentines. That's not what I pictured, but yum. Vanilla bean sables. Cutout cookies. Nice, simple, wintry ones. I like those. There's not too many sprinkles on it. Beyond Christmas. Ooh, now what? Everything bundt cake. And confetti, cream cheese, lemon pull-apart bread. Yum. I love eating lemon in winter after Christmas. It gives me the hope of spring. Here's some step-by-step photos, though. They're coming back. Really appreciate them. Blood orange turnovers. Remember that blood oranges are usually only available in grocery stores a brief period of time in December and January. Passion fruit poppy seed muffins. Coconut cardamom cupcakes. Something called cruffins. Fun. with step-by-step photos, a hot chocolate cake with marshmallows, but it's not s'mores, a confetti cake. I like that surprise inside when you cut it open. Yay, surprise. Recipe for rough puff pastry. Okay, now we're at the extras chapter. We're almost done. Thanks for hanging in there. Marshmallows that you make yourself, caramel, no churn ice cream, pastry cream, candied citrus peels, cranberry jam, lemon curd, make all that stuff, and a chapter or a page called Closing Out the Year. So that is, excuse me, ribbon, get back in the book. Okay. That's an excellent Baking for the Holidays book. I think that would make a great gift. If you want to shop for it, we have an affiliate link below the video, either in our blog post or on our YouTube video. Feel free to click it and buy the book. We'll get a little credit. Anyway, that's Baking for the Holidays by Sarah Kieffer. Love it, and I'm probably going to turn off this camera and go bake something because it's not morning. Thanks for watching. You can see more Cookbook Divas videos on our website, cookbookdivas.com. We post videos to YouTube. We talk about cookbooks in our podcast, Cookbook Divas Podcast, and we post about cookbooks on Facebook and Instagram too. Bye.